So I've been looking for two tall Toby parts that I haven't modeled, and I found one here. It's called Slide Hinge. It's a tier 5 part. I've got the mass written down here, 20, 30 grams, plus or minus 2 grams. So pretty generous on the tolerance. Um, this thing has got dimensions all over the place, so I don't see any issues with being able to model it. I mean, other than just it being a tier 5 part and being too difficult. Anyway, so we're gonna start this guy out. It's MMG plane, top plane sketch. I'm gonna use a center slot. Dimension that guy, 130. It's 60 wide, so a 30 radius, and I'm going to extrude it mid-plane 60. So front, we're going to do, let's see, radius 10, so 20 diameter. What's that? There's a through hole. 12. Okay, good. Put a construction line in here. That's 60. So I'm gonna, let's see what I'm gonna do here. Okay. That 45 is 22.5. And look what I've gone and done there. Okay, that's okay. We'll just deal with it when we come to it. So I'm going to extrude the cylindrical body or shape. Yeah, no, body. 120. And there we go. That's going to be 10, and I'm going to offset it half of 90, which is 45, and then I'm going to grab that contour, see what it looks like, and then let's see, I'm going to have to delete some faces. Now I could have just done this in the sketch, probably. I don't know what I was thinking with that. Anyway, so we'll go to front plane mirror, feature. Oh, come here, bud. Mirror, feature, delete face as well. Hey, oh yeah, delete face doesn't work like that. You know what? Okay, I'm just gonna delete face. And oops, too far, and here. Okay. So let's go over here, make this rectangle. What is that? 30? Oh, it's 30 by 30. So 125 minus 60. Okay, minus half of 60 be 35. Top. Let's put in a center line. Okay. Don't snap to anything. That's 4 mils from the end, and then it's a 45 degree angle. So I'm going to have to convert these entities here. Okay, snip, snip, snip. And then we'll mirror that about that. And Mid plane is going to be 5, and the contours are there. You know what? I'm just going to do offset that 10, which is the default, and I'm going to go through all. So let's see. Options, no decimal places. 20, 30. Yeah. So yeah, it's pretty. That's pretty good part. Man, I wish I would have done something different with the instead of using delete face. Yeah, I should have. Let's see. Let's back this guy up before. Okay, so let's figure out the sketch here. So yeah, there's a couple of different ways. Okay, so let's see. Let's trim that off. Oh yeah. Okay, doesn't like that very much. Um, let's see, we're gonna convert that and then trim it. Okay, so that worked. Oh, okay, so we gotta do the 22.5 there as well. So that would have been very helpful. And then I would have had to use the delete face. So 2030. Get rid of delete face. I can't get rid of delete face because it's in the it's in the mirror. Okay, so we'll just delete that out of there. Let's see what happens. Delete. Yes to all. That should be the same. 20, 30 grams. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. Everybody wants to see delete face, but it sucks having to delete. What was that? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 16 faces. That takes up a lot of time. Anyway, yeah, good part, Toby. It's a solid tier 5. So, for what that's worth. Thanks for watching.